Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can open Google Sheets in web mode in Android phone. So in order to do that, you can do it by open your Google Chrome and tap the apps. You can scroll down, try to search your Google Sheets. You can open one of your sheets. For example, this one. This is still the mobile mode. So if you want to open desktop mode, it's very easy. You can go back again. You can tap three dots at the top of your screen and tap on desktop side here. So this is the desktop mode. You can open your Google Sheets again. Choose the file. And this is Google Sheets in desktop mode. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.